Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how do you assemble your sewing machine. So here are all the parts of the sewing machine, and there's this screw. Okay, you can take this one, you can see this side, you can take it in this way. So this should be on outside, and you can take one. And you just arrange below. You can see is a hole, so you just have to put it. You can take a knot and just put it in a hole, and then you just have to arrange it. Now you can just tight it with a screw. Now we come to the another side. On the other side, you can take another one and do the same thing. You just arrange the hole and just take another screw and tight it. Now I'm just going to tight it properly. Now we make this wheel. You can see here you have three different parts. At first, take this, and here is you can just fix it inside this one. Just rotate it, and it's a hole. You can fix it, and you can tight it with this small screw. And you can tight it properly. You can see it done now. The next is you're gonna see this side. It's you have to fix it in it. So what you're gonna do is you just fix it inside this one. And a small screw, just put it over here, and then you have to tight it. So whenever you put it, I can just tight this screw properly. So you can see the screw, so you just have to make it, you just tight it properly. So you can see here is a small hole. So when you can notice a small hole, when you put it inside this one, so make sure you arrange this hole just below this. Otherwise you cannot make it tight properly if you do not arrange the hole properly. Now you just put it. So if you don't arrange the hole properly, you will not be able to tight it properly. Now you can see, before we tight the upper part, upper screw, we just fix the wheel first. So while fixing the wheel, make sure this is the wheel, you just put it inside and you make this another side. Alright. So while fixing it, this should be on the opposite side. And now you just place it properly inside this one. This is a small hole. You have to put this inside this hole properly, and here the screw, this one you will be getting. You just have to put it from one side. So this is the hole. From one side you just put the screw, and then you just you take it on another side, and then after you push this one inside the hole from this side. So place it exactly near to the wheel hole, and you just tight it from another side. You can use the screwdriver. You can just tight it from another side. So it should go exactly inside the hole. You tight it properly now. And you can just tight this screw properly here, so when it rotates, it won't come out. So tight the screw properly now. You can see when you tight this screw and you just fix it in this hole, now you can just take it out by rotating it. You can see the wheel is rotating, it's working fine. Stop it. Now what we do is fix this to the hole. So it's the two hole here. So you just fix it in it. You just tight it with a screw. So it's a two screw. You can just put it from one side into the another hole, and another one you can just put it from this side into this one, and you can just tight it now. So you can take your twist screw like this, and here you have a 2 point, one right over here and same one on the other side. So what you're going to do, you just put it from one side, when a little bit it appears, just put a screw right over here. Or you can just put the screw right exactly over here. Here is a hole, you just have to fix it in that hole. So if you have a problem tightening the screw from inside, you can see there's a little bit of space. So you can't tighten the screw from inside. So what you're going to do, just put the screw inside first. So you just put the screw inside first from both the side, and then after you can just tighten it. Putting the screw from inside first, and then after we just tighten it from outside. We tighten the screw from outside. So do the same thing from both the side. Turn this, and you can see you can take a screw like this, and you just fit it inside this one, and just tie this screw from below. Okay guys, now we put this board just above this. So you can see here you have 4 different holes, 2 from both the sides, and you have a small screw like this. So you get the screw like this from so, and you can just tighten it from the below. So let me show you how. Just put this board first, and just make it opposite. Okay, if you have you can arrange it and put this screw. If you have a problem tightening the screw, you can just turn it upside or down. You can make it opposite, and you can just tighten the screw. So 4 different screw from 4 different holes just from below it. Okay guys, you can see here we got a 2 pin like. You can just push it upside, and along with that, so this should be on a thread side. So you want to put a thread over there, and exactly over here you want to see here you have 2 different holes. So you just place that just on hole. So we'll just put this 2 different pins on a 2 different hole. Alright, now you can see it's fixed. The next we do, you just make it tight. You can see the handle over here. What you're going to do, just you can see the spring over here. So you just push this handle upside. Okay guys, it's all ready. Now you can just put the thread. So here it is, where you're going to put the thread, and everything you can set it up with a thread and all, and you can just start using it. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Have a good day.